Welcome into a special Wednesday episode here on our YouTube channel. You're looking at the Nissan Parts CC YouTube channel. My name is Russell. Tom is not here with me today because this is a special edition video, and well, he is backed up from weekend orders and busy processing those. I wanted to hop in here as soon as possible, let you guys know we did get some NISMO LMGT4s in. We only have a couple sets available. Everything is going to pre-orders, and then I'm gonna have 2 complete sets. We are only selling these in complete sets. Obviously, it's the gloss black. It's got the machining logo. 18 by 9 and 18 by 9.5 is what we got in. So hit the link in the description. You have to go there, request availability, and basically Tom will farm those out to people in order, and you'll only have so long to place the order. So, you know, have your affairs all called up when you go in there to order them. These are another limited run. I mean, every time Ray's runs these from NISMO, it is a limited run each year. So if you've been holding out on getting some of these, you better do it. The LMGT4 is a forged monoblock aluminum wheel. And like I said earlier, it has the machine logo, and the machining, you can see the machining marks in the logo, and also the red. There's red paint added to the O on the logo, so you're not gonna worry about a decal, you're not gonna worry about a clear coat coming off, anything like that. That logo is gonna be there forever, regardless of what happens to this wheel. Great looking wheel, simple. If you like Skylines, you like Nissan, you're a fan, you know what this wheel is, you know. Obviously manufactured by Ray's Japan, who manufactures all their own wheels, in-house design, R&D team, everything. So you're getting a quality wheel. I mean, they're not cheap, but what you're paying for is exactly what you're getting. You're probably actually getting more than that. But you know, you can split hairs over that in the comments if you want to. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. If you're interested in a set of these wheels, like I said, head to the description of the video, hit the link, do the things, and we'll reach out to you, and we will keep you guys updated for future orders, things like that. But after the 2 sets we have are sold, we are going to turn ordering off until we figure out when we're going to get more wheels. But amazing wheel. This is actually the first time I've ever had a new set of these in this building, and I've been here for almost 15 years. Right on the edge of 15 years, I've never had these, so really stoked to be able to get these and check these out in person, get some pictures of them, shoot the video. But that wouldn't be possible without you guys. So thanks again. Appreciate you guys checking out the channel, checking out the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hope you have a great rest of your week. I'll see you on Friday, and be sure to head to last week's video, snag a 10% off coupon code before you place your order on these if you do get an email with a link to purchase them, because that's gonna save you a lot of money. And stick around, we do coupons every week, so me and Tom will be here Friday to see you guys. Take care.